Is your electric water heater leaking from the side panel? Element gasket failure is a common cause of these leaks. Let's identify the problem and take the first steps to address it safely. First, we need to understand what we're dealing with. Here's a typical water heater installation. The leak often appears around the side access panels where the heating elements are located. To understand the problem better, let's look inside the water heater. The heating elements are sealed with gaskets that can deteriorate over time, causing water to leak from the side panels. Safety is absolutely critical. Before doing anything else, you must turn off the power to the water heater at the circuit breaker. Never work on electrical components while power is connected. Next, shut off the cold water supply to the tank and drain the water level below the heating element. This prevents water from flowing out when you remove the element for inspection. Now remove the access panel to inspect the heating element and gasket. Look for signs of water damage, corrosion, or a visibly cracked or deformed gasket around the element. Finally, consider the age of your water heater. Most units last around 10 years. If your heater is approaching this age and showing multiple issues, replacement might be more cost-effective than repeated repairs. You've now identified the problem and completed the essential safety steps. In the next section, we'll cover the actual gasket replacement process and how to prevent future leaks. Now we'll walk through the complete process of replacing the gasket and implementing preventive measures to avoid future leaks. First, you must fully drain the water heater tank. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker, shut off the cold water inlet, and attach a hose to the drain valve. Once drained, remove the access panel and use a socket or element wrench to carefully remove the old heating element. Take note of the wire connections before disconnecting them. Clean the mounting flange thoroughly to remove any debris or old gasket material. This ensures a proper seal with the new gasket. Install the new gasket and reattach the heating element securely, but avoid over-tightening. Reconnect the wires to the element terminals, ensuring secure connections. Close the drain valve, open the cold water inlet to refill the tank, then turn the power back on and check carefully for any leaks. To prevent future leaks, perform annual maintenance, including flushing the tank to remove sediment buildup. Regularly inspect and replace the anode rod, which protects your tank from corrosion. If the tank itself is cracked or the leak persists after replacing the gasket, it's time to replace the entire water heater. If you're uncomfortable with any of these steps, don't hesitate to call a qualified plumber for assistance.